15 that's more than 3 colors. This one has pink, black, white, and yellow. So this is one that's more than 3 colors. Let's start in here. This is 2 colors. Well, I guess this one is more than 3 colors for 2. This sushi has, I guess that's just 2 colors really. But this sushi back here for 3. Oh, and this ice cream cone for 4. Yellow and green and white dice for 5. Oh, 6. Oh, and I can't forget this one. This one's one of my favorites for 7. I really like this one. Okay, let's move on from this drawer. 8. 9. 10. Also, I'm trying not to count rainbow in this because I feel like that's cheating because obviously I have a ton of rainbows, so. 11. 12. 13. Oh, 13. 14. And let's do this puzzle ball for 15. But yeah, that's 15. Thanks for playing.